Good morning, students. Today I am going to start a new chapter, chapter sets. Set is what? First you have to understand what is object. In mathematical language, everything in this universe, wherever living or non-living, is called an object. A collection of objects is said to be well defined if it is possible to tell beyond doubt whether a particular given object belongs to the given collection or not. So that means set is what? A well defined collection of object is called a set. Take an example. The number of days in a week. That means it's a collection of set. Monday to Sunday. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday and Sunday. So these are the collection of set or collection of objects. This is known as set. The object in a set are called its members or element. That means the days we have to write. The Sunday, Monday, write suppose Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday and Saturday, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. These are the set right in the second packet. And the object which are given in this bracket are known as elements. Okay, or members or points. Now we usually denote set by capital letters. Suppose you have to write A equals to this, or B equals to this, or W weekdays, D equals to this. In this manner, that means A in capital word set is denoted in this manner. Now, if X is an element of set A, we have to write X, this symbol means belongs to. Okay, which means that X belongs to A. See from this example, suppose Sunday. Sunday is present in this set. So we can say that Sunday belongs to A. Okay. Now if we take March. Okay. This month is not given here. So we can say that March is not belongs to A. So belongs to means the element which is present in this given set. Not belongs to means the elements which are not present in this given set. So how you write take another example. Now take another example. Let A be the collection of all prime numbers between 50 and 70. Let A be the collection of all prime numbers between 50 and 70. Right. So how you write A? Set name is A. So A, if you have to write A, start the brackets. Prime number between 50 and 70. Prime number is what? The number which is not divided by 2. Right? So there are only two factors, the number and number itself. 1 and the number itself. So see 50, 51 having factors, 52 having factors, so 53 having only two factors, number 1 and number itself. The next one is 59, 61, 67. Next one is which is greater than 70. So we can stop here. The number between 50 and 70, these are the prime numbers. So if we now, this is the set, you have to write the collection of prime numbers which is between 50 and 70. Now here see that we can easily say that 53 is belongs to A, 59 belongs to A, but 57 57. If we take 57, which is not belongs to A, because it is not present here, right? Now, in this manner, you have to write the set. Now, how to describe a set? How to describe a set? So, there are three methods or three ways to describe the set. First, the name of the way is roster method. Roster method, or you can say that tabular form. Tabular form. Okay. Now, in this method, under this method, we just make a list of numbers of the set and put them within the bracket. So, take an example. Let A be the set of all factors. A be the set of all factors of 30. A be the set of all factors of 30. That means you can write in this manner. The factor of 30 is what? 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 10, 15 and 30. Right? So you can write the factor of 30 in this manner. That means the numbers, you have to write the numbers in the second bracket. This is called the roster method. Take another example. This is example 1. Example 2. Let C be the set of all colors in a rainbow, right? So you know that in rainbow, how many colors are there? There are 7 colors. So you can write the name of the colors in the set, like violet, indigo, blue, green. The next one is yellow. Next one is orange and red. So, in this manner, this is the roster method, right? The next is description method. This is the roster method. Now, next one is description method. So, first you have to rub the book. First one is done. Now, next is description method. So, under this method, we just give a description of numbers of the set and put them within a bracket. Now, see, let it is given A equals to 31, 37, 41, 43 and 47. It is given. You have to write in the description method. This is the roster method, right? You have to convert it into the description method. So you have to write A equals to what? You see that these all are the prime numbers and between 30 and 50. So you can write prime numbers between 30 and 50. So we can write the statement in between the brackets. So this is the known as description method. Now if it is written, say taken another example, example 1, example 2. If it is given C equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12 and 24. See, these all are the factor of 24. So you can write C factor of 24. Factors of 24. So this is known as prescription method. And the last one is rule method that I told you next day. Okay. Thank you.